Now create a good LinkedIn profile that can be found by recruiters easily. They can track you down. They can see your accomplishments, everything. Just like a resume on a LinkedIn, you can also see all those things, right? If you guys are on LinkedIn, you know that already, right? Your profile must have a good profile picture. Now, this good profile picture does not mean that you're out partying and you just felt good, cute in that outfit and you put that photo over there. Good profile picture means it's a professional picture. It's a headshot. Okay. Have a good headshot photo over there. The same profile picture should be on a resume as well. Don't put informal pictures. Again, I'm saying don't put informal pictures on these formal platforms. But LinkedIn is professional. Put professional looking photographs only. Now, many people, they make the mistake of not including profile picture or picture which is not clearly visible, a picture which is kind of very informal. Now that decreases the chance of your profile being read by the recruiters. Okay. You have to be confident in your pictures that you are displaying on LinkedIn. That actually exudes your charisma, your overall personality.